Hello, my friends. This is Maria here, and today I have a bunch of ideas about how to decorate some tags that comes with your clothing. So I have another examples in my previous video. I hope you can go over there and have some ideas and inspiration. These are all cards, all tags I made coming up from my clothing or some clothing I got from anybody else. So here, today I have inspiration in this skinny Miami, and it's super cute. Look at that. It's completely fine, and the cardstock is really amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this back with the same pink. This is Craft Smart light pink rose clear, and I'm gonna give this back a little tone in pink. So let me just go ahead and here I have my brushes. So I want a soft one, probably this one. Okay, so I don't want this to be super white. That is why I am choosing this color and this technique. So I can go here and have it a little bit tone of this pink. I will say that this is Miami pink. Miami is called also the Art Deco District. I live here in Miami-Dade County. And yes, we have a district of Art Deco that is Miami Beach. So that's the pink, and it's really in fashion these days. So while this is getting dry, I can probably go with a second coat. I'm going to work on some of the labels I have here. And I want to tell you that even the little thread that comes with the label, you can use for another project. So this is a gain. So it's really fun, and it's a good material. I can tell that labels or brands are being very creative with the tags they're placing into their clothing. So let me see. Today I'm gonna go with some um, sentiments or quotes. So I have this "You're beautiful," and I'm gonna give this a tiny bit of pink also. I don't want it like super pink, but just the shadows of pinks around, like so. Okay, so I can probably go in here, but as you can see, I need a second coat. So I'm gonna be using this for this tag here. Well, I'm not sure about this one. Let me think a little bit better. I love this one, even though it's black and white. The picture is amazing. I love the picture of this young lady here. And also these letters, I don't know if you can see it, but they are metallic. It's an S and a J, so I really don't want to cover anything from this label. So I can probably glue something. I would like to have like those little flowers that comes in fabric to glue there, because I think it's so perfect that I don't need to place anything else. I can probably go ahead and place this somewhere because this is so nice that I can probably just go like so with the label. What do you think with my tag? Or can probably go in here in my hole, in the hole, and then just wrap it around like 2 times. Yes, I think that this is a good idea. So I'm just gonna go 2 times, going in and out here, and tie it very strong. All right. Probably the yellow is gonna go away like the, no, it's perfect. Wow, I'm surprised. Okay, that's super. So we can do is like we can just go here, like from this side to the other. I don't know if that's gonna allow me to do it. Just gonna go there. All right. Uh-oh, we have a lot of rain and thunders today, this afternoon here in Miami. All right, I'm just gonna cut here. Uh-oh, now we have an alarm, a car alarm. Okay, this is not good for my video. Oh, it turned off. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the result. What do you think about this? I really love it. I can go ahead and place like tiny bit of glue, like for not having the petals like coming up and down. I can just probably go here with a dot to really drop a little tiny drop, I'll say, of glue, so this is not gonna go anywhere. By the way, this flower is vintage. It came like in a bomboniera from Italy, so it was somewhere from a baptism or a wedding or something, so I collect it because I really love this kind of stuff. Oh wow, I'm in love with this label. I really like it. Look at that. I gave it a little bit of color, a lot of color. And now I need my clips. I need my clips to place them here. They were a little bit far, but I have them here now. So I'm just gonna go here, there. This is a huge one, but it's very, very strong. So I'm gonna use it here. Okay, this is not gonna go anywhere. I can assure you that. All right, let's leave it there. And I have this amazing one with a butterfly. I was inspired by the gray and the blue in here, and I'm just gonna go like sideways because I don't want any of the letters to be seen. So I'm just gonna glue it sideways, and I'm thinking I can have like thread coming out or probably cheesecloth, but to be honest, I have no idea where my cheesecloth can be. So what I'm going to do is I have yellow, blue. Let me see if I have some blue yarn. And let's look in here to see what I have. This tiny box of surprises. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to be doing something with that for sure. I can probably go with this blue. It's okay. I love to have things around, so because we can have a lot of surprises too. So get inspired. Just look around your house. Look in your closet. Sometimes we keep clothing with the tags on. So go right away and look and see what you have and that you can use for a project like this one. Okay, so here I'm just going to apply glue on half of the butterfly because I don't want it completely into my tag. I want just half of the body. And to be honest, I always like these projects when you have like something popping out. When you have something popping out from the border of the project, like in this case, I have all this wing coming out from here. I love that. I really, really like it. And that's kind of really nice thing to place a thread there. And actually, I think I'm gonna go with more. I feel like it's gonna look really, really nice. And let's see. So I have this thread here. I need to detach this a little bit and apply some glue in here. Like so. All right. It's perfect. I need glue in this border here, so it's gonna be okay. Perfect. So that's another one. And I need to do something in this little hole there. So I can probably go ahead and punch the hole a little bit bigger so we can have a bigger hole, easier to work with, easy to punch because you already have the center. Look at that, it's so perfect. Actually, this tag was kind of a plastic one, and it's different. It's really, really different. And as I have a tiny yellow part here on the wings, look, I have yellow there, yellow here. What I'm going to do is to place some yellow also on the label here. And for the back, I'm going to have probably this. Yes, I'm gonna have this. It's gonna be my tag, and then I'm gonna have my second one. I painted in yellow using acrylic paint, and I'm gonna show you in a moment. So I'm really in love with this compound tags because I'm using double tag. Like I have the big one, is this one in this case, and then I always add some little one on top of the other. And the idea comes with from the some of the brands, some brands, they have like compound tags now, like for this one. And so they have one, two, this is actual double, triple. This is triple, and then it has another one, so 4 tags. So it is amazing because it tells you a story. So you can do your project like using more than one tag, and then you can tell a story. Literally, you can do it. So the idea came from that, and I love it. And so that's why I'm having these double tags here. So now, well, I wish I can have like a tiny butterfly that I can glue here, but I don't have it. And I'm just gonna go here and paint the back of the wings, or I just can go ahead and apply some vintage photo distress ink, or just leave it like that. If you want, you can always like cut the butterfly wing here and just glue it on this side. What about doing that? The thing is, I really, really love this way, so I can have this coming out. But what I can do on the back, or probably here, is I can just go ahead and place this button here. What do you think? That's a new idea. So I can go here and it's coming out. It's going in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I want it on the other side, so I want it here. I'm sorry about my voice. This cold, this flu, it's not gonna, it doesn't want to go away. So I'm really, really sorry to talk to you about this and in this tone, but I didn't want to stop making my videos and actually making my crafts. And so it's an opportunity to give you ideas and show you my work. Well, I'm not sure about leaving that button there. Let me know, what do you think? And this is ready. I have the flower, double flower actually. This is ready. I'm gonna have it there. I don't like this button here, so I'm just gonna take it away. Probably it's not gonna be easy, but not impossible. So I'm just gonna loose this a little bit. And for sure I'm gonna use those buttons in another project, but this is not the one for this one. So I think I need to cut this here because it's not easy to take it away. So it's okay. I'm just gonna take everything out away. This is gonna stay for another project, probably for this one. And I have extra yarn that I can use in here. Or I can probably go with more blue. I don't know, let me see. Well, you know what? I changed my mind. Now that I have this away from the butterfly, I'm just gonna leave it like so. And I'm gonna take the little thread from another tag. Let me see. I'm gonna use this one. It's really, really super good quality. And I'm just gonna untie this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's a matter just of starting to do something, and you're gonna be amazed of what is the result that you're gonna do. You're gonna obtain something really, really cool. So you can place the thread even this way. Usually the tags come with the thread this way, just going in and out from the hole, but I love to do it this way so they can be flat, so you can add it to your journal. It's not going to be bulky and it's going to stay flat. So this is what I do. I stick both of the threads there and I just pull them out. So this is what I have for this episode. I'm super happy that you're here. I'm pending with the Miami tag, so I'm gonna be waiting for you in my next episode because that's gonna be amazing. And remember, don't go away without subscribing. Leave me a comment and also a thumbs up. Thanks for being here, my friends, and I see you soon. I see you in the next episode. Subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Bye, friends. Bye-bye.